this is Anjay here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum, marhaban, sabah al khair, tajaha privet. Dear students, today we are going to do some important phrases commonly used in day-to-day communication. These are of great importance. These are mixed phrases. These are usually practiced in daily life. Let's start today's short phrases of daily life. These are of great importance. अज़ीज़ तलबा, आज हम रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी में इस्तेमाल होने वाले चंद मखसूस और अहम जुमलों को देखते हैं। इनका इस्तेमाल अंग्रेज़ी बोलचाल में रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी में बहुत मुश्तमिल है। आइए आज के सबक का आगाज़ करते हैं। Let's start today's lesson. Here see my students. The first short phrase is no nothing such as. No nothing such as. No nothing such as. No nothing such as. नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. No nothing such as. नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. Usually in response to some questions, some queries, if asked what's going on there, what has happened in that particular reply, in the return, it is commonly said, it is commonly spoken, no nothing such as. No nothing such as. No nothing such as. नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. No nothing such as. नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. No nothing such as. नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. आइए अगले फ्रेज की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Let's move to the next phrase. Next one is what's the new tragedy? What's the new tragedy? What's the new tragedy? Interrogative sign. What's the new tragedy? नया सान्या क्या है? What's the new tragedy? What's the new tragedy? नया सान्या क्या है? What's the new tragedy? नया सान्या क्या है? Tragedies are the part of life, and on daily basis we see many tragedies happening around. So what's the new tragedy? What's the new tragedy? What's the new tragedy? नया सान्या कौन सा है? What's the new tragedy? नया सान्या कौन सा है? Let's see the next statement. आइए इस जुमले को देखते हैं. What a hot day it is. What a hot day it is. Exclamation sign. What a hot day is it. कितना गर्म दिन है. What a hot day is it. What a hot day is it. कितना गर्म दिन है. This is an certain expression. It's an exclamatory statement, a certain feeling, certain expression. What a hot day is it. What a hot day is it. What a hot day it is. What a hot day it is. कितना गर्म दिन है. What a hot day it is. कितना गर्म दिन है. Let's move to the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Next one is no objection at all. No objection at all. No objection at all. कतई इतराज नहीं. No objection at all. कतई इतराज नहीं. No objection at all. कतई इतराज नहीं. No objection at all. And some disputes and some arguments when the parties are get together. So after hearing them, it is asked when they reach to a specific compromise. It is asked. It is said, no objection at all. No objection at all. कतई कोई इतराज नहीं. No objection at all. When some documents are submitted to some institutions and after checking those documents, it is also accepted that no objection at all. No objection at all. No objection at all. कतई इतराज नहीं. No objection at all. Even in some doings, some happenings with permission that are allowed. So in that case, it is also expressed. It is also accepted. No objection at all. No objection at all. No objection at all. कतई कोई इतराज नहीं. कतई इतराज नहीं. No objection at all. Let's see the next statement. Next one is all is well that ends well. All is well that ends well. All is well that ends well. It's a famous proverb. All is well that ends well. आगाज अच्छा अंजाम बखैर. All is well that ends well. All is well that ends well. All is well that ends well. This is a commonly spoken proverb. आगाज अच्छा अंजाम बखैर. आगाज अच्छा अंजाम बखैर. All is well that ends well. All is well that ends well. अंजाम आगाज अच्छा, अंजाम खैर. All is well that ends well. And the next one is truth is evergreen. Truth is evergreen. Truth is evergreen. सांच को आज नहीं, सच हमेशा सच रहता है. Truth is evergreen. Truth is evergreen. Truth is evergreen. Truth is evergreen. सच हमेशा सच रहता है, सांच को आज नहीं. This is also very commonly used phrasal proverb. Truth is evergreen. Truth is evergreen. सांच को आज नहीं, सच हमेशा सच है. Here see my students, these are very important big short phrases. I hope you will memorize this. I wish you all the best. I see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.